So we are in Rotana, Saadiyat Island. Saadiyat Island is a part of Abu Dhabi. If you don't know, let me tell you that Abu Dhabi comprises of different islands. It's like approximately 200 islands or maybe more than that. And there are some man-made, some are natural. So this is one of the island, which is Saadiyat Island, where Louvre Museum is there and other important building and palaces are there. And now we are at Rotana right now. We are not going to check in, but yeah, we are definitely going to do inspection of this property, and then we had a lunch. We will have a lunch over here. And I like this place because of this. I mean the lobby. It's beautiful, isn't it? वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है तो वी आर डूइंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो ये है जी हमारी टेबल आज की फॉर द लंच. एंड दिस इज आवर हैंडसम गाइड कम फ्रेंड, मोर लाइक अ ब्रदर नाउ.
That's not my ID one. Again? That's not my ID. No? No, my life. No, sorry.
That is really.
Wow.
This.
This is a beautiful space.
Yes, that's the smallest room, 40 square meters,
It's still very
2 plus
big.
2. And the bed is huge.
And this is nice.
Yes.
So this is the entry level.
Yes.
Really good. Yeah. Does everyone get a little gift or is this for...
Majority of the clients. The sea view club rooms.
So guys, we are in Abu Dhabi. शाम का समय है, 4 नहीं 5 बज रहे हैं. And now we are at the showstopper of the day, which is the Grand Mosque at Abu Dhabi. So right now I'm standing in the parking area, but I'll be moving towards this Grand Mosque. This is the handsome guy we have, apart from me, obviously. That's Grand Mosque. So यहाँ से टिकट लेते हैं और फिर अंदर जाते हैं. Wow. So guys, this is entrance towards the Grand Mosque, maybe. Not maybe, it is.
Okay, does everyone see the two golden arches? This is going to be our meeting point. Okay, the timing is yet to be decided. The two golden arches. Done.
Are you sure this is your
One handing me the light and
I gave him one.
okay. Yeah. You slow down, and once again, I'm gonna let you go at your own pace. Okay? And that's definitely true. So first of all, there is a predetermined path inside the mosque that you cannot deviate from. Okay? You're gonna be entering through this archway, and you're gonna be taking a left along the columns. The large archway. So take a left. And then you're gonna be making your way into the prayer rooms. You're gonna be entering the prayer rooms twice. You're gonna be seeing the first chandelier, and then when you pass the first chandelier, this is the praying room where the prayer rug is laid.
So this is the Sheikh Zayed Mosque of Abu Dhabi. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, मैं इसको सामने से देख रहा हूँ तो I can't tell you how beautiful it is. Completely white, and I liked it.
Kachik from Karachi.
So guys, this is Rixos, Marina, Abu Dhabi. And we have just arrived and now we are going to check in and get in our rooms. Then we have a dinner with the CAC team. Once again. So they have all the sheikhs over here.
Depends how much you enjoy speaking with For me, it will be very fun.
So I am back. Back as in we are checking in the hotel now and आराम करेंगे क्योंकि सुबह जल्दी उठना है 8 बजे क्योंकि बस एक रात है हमारा अबू धाबी और कल हम जा रहे हैं दूसरे वतन ओमान and it will be we will pass by through Al Ain, the another emirate. There are 7 emirates and Al Ain we will have lunch and inshallah we will be moving towards Oman then. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. यहाँ पे व्लॉग एंड करता हूँ. नए दिन की नई शुरुआत करेंगे फिर और नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में मैं आपको यहाँ का रूम टूर भी करा दूँगा.